Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Squarespace, one of the most popular website builders in the world. If you're thinking about creating a website and you want something that looks professional, modern, and easy to manage, this video is for you. So in this video, I'll walk you through what Squarespace actually does, its main features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and finally help you decide if this is the best website builder for you. Let's get started. Squarespace is an all-in-one website builder designed to help individuals and businesses create stunning websites without writing a single line of code. Whether you're a beginner, a complete beginner at that, or someone who's built websites before, Squarespace focuses on simplicity, clean design, and everything working smoothly in one place. As you can see on the homepage, Squarespace is built for creators, entrepreneurs, and businesses. It's used by photographers, designers, coaches, bloggers, small businesses, and even online stores. The idea here is very simple. Instead of using multiple tools for hosting, for design, domains, and e-commerce, Squarespace combines everything into one platform. What really makes Squarespace stand out is its design-first approach. Every template you see is professionally designed, mobile responsive, and visually polished. This is one of the reasons Squarespace has built such a strong reputation over the years. Websites made on Squarespace tend to look premium by default. Another thing to know is that Squarespace is fully hosted. That means you don't need to worry about finding hosting, setting up servers, or dealing with technical maintenance. Everything runs behind the scenes, so you can focus on building and growing your website. Now, let us talk about the main features of Squarespace. Drag and drop website builder. Squarespace uses a visual drag and drop editor, meaning you can edit your website directly on the page. You can click on text, images, buttons, and sections and customize them instantly. You can add content blocks like text, images, videos, forms, galleries, and buttons, then rearrange them exactly how you want. This makes Squarespace very beginner friendly while still offering enough control for more advanced users. Professional templates. One of Squarespace's biggest strengths is its template library. All templates are designed in-house and tailored for specific use cases like portfolios, blogs, online stores, and business websites. Every template is fully responsive, meaning your site automatically looks good on your desktop, tablets, and mobile devices. You can also customize fonts, colors, layouts, and spacing to match your brand. E-commerce tools. If you want to sell online, Squarespace includes built-in e-commerce features. You can sell physical products, digital products, services, and even subscriptions. You get product pages, inventory management, secure checkout, payment processing, and customer accounts. On higher plans, you also get advanced tools like abandoned cart recovery and subscription selling. SEO marketing tools. Squarespace comes with built-in SEO tools, allowing you to edit page titles, descriptions, URLs, and image alt text. This helps your site rank better on search engines without needing plugins. There are also email marketing tools built directly into the platform, so you can send newsletters, promotions, and updates to your audience from the same dashboard. Hosting, domains, and security. With Squarespace, hosting is included in every plan. You also get unlimited bandwidth and storage, so your site can grow without worrying about limits. You can buy and manage your domain directly within Squarespace, and every site includes SSL security, which protects your visitors and builds trust. AI and automation tools. Squarespace has introduced AI-powered tools that help you build faster. These tools can suggest layouts, generate content ideas, and guide you through setting up your website step by step. It's perfect if you're not sure where to start. Let us talk about the pricing of Squarespace. There's a free trial for 14 days, after which you can switch to a personal plan at $16 per month, business plan at $23 per month, a commerce plan at $28 per month, and another commerce plan which is advanced at $52 per month. Now, this is based on an annual payment. If you decide to pay monthly, the price jumps up. But if you pay annually, you save up to 30% annually. What are the pros and cons of using Squarespace? First, the pros. It has beautiful, high-quality templates. It has a very beginner-friendly editor, and it's an all-in-one platform truly. No plugins required. It has built-in e-commerce and marketing tools and reliable hosting and strong security. How about the cons? As earlier mentioned in the pricing, there is no free plan forever, only a free trial of 14 days. And there's limited third-party integrations compared to some other competitors. So is Squarespace the best website builder? Well, for some people the answer is yes. Squarespace excels in combining beautiful design, ease of use, and power built-in tools into a single platform. You don't need to worry about plugins, updates, or technical setup. Everything just works. It's especially ideal for creatives, freelancers, small businesses, and entrepreneurs who want a professional website that looks great without spending weeks building it. While it may not offer the deepest customization or the lowest price, Squarespace wins when it comes to consistency, reliability, and design quality. If you value a clean, professional online presence and you want everything in one place, Squarespace is hard to beat. And that's it on the review of Squarespace. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Wix, Webflow, and WordPress with a page builder. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.